2. How are you? I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Okay, class 2. In the last class, we have done the reading and explanation of Unit 12 together in the bath of page number 63. And today, we are going to do the reading and explanation of page number 64 of this unit. Okay? Okay, what we are going to get after having the reading of this page, we will be able to realize the importance of taking bath to keep ourselves clean because personal hygiene is very important and taking bath is one of the way of having the personal hygiene. Okay, class 2, let's start with the reading and explanation of this unit. Today the date is 12th January 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Okay, in the last class, we have discussed that there were two brothers taking bath, Mill and Mikey. They were enjoying while having bath by making bubbles. They were making dollop of bubbles and putting them on their heads. And after that, they were interested of making some more bubbles. Okay, Mill asks to Mikey that he is interested in making more bubbles. So now we are going to read further that what happened next. Yes, good idea, replies Mikey. He gets the bottle of bubble bath. Oh no, the bottle is very slippery with soap. It falls in the water with a great splash. Okay, class 2, what's going on? When the mill asked the Mikey to have some more bubbles, he agreed with him. And what he go for? He went for having the bottle of bubble bath. Okay, but what happened then? The bubble got slipped from his hand. Why it got slipped? Because it was very soapy. And what happened? It just falls in the water with a great splash. The water in their bathtub, in that the bottle got slipped and they won't be able to have that bottle. What happened next? Let's read. Mikey tries to get hold of the bottle, but he can't. More and more bubbles keep appearing in the bath. So many bubbles, in fact, that you can't see Mikey and Mill anymore. Just the tips of their toes stick out above the bubbles. Okay, what happened when the bottle got slipped and fall in the water? Mikey again tries to hold the bottle, but he won't be able to hold the bottle. And as the bottle fall in the water, so more and more bubbles start appearing in the bath, and there were so many bubbles that you won't be able to see Mikey and Will. They just got hide in the bubbles, and just their toes tips were looking outside. You can see their toes outside, but the overall they are covered with bubbles. Okay, what happened next? Then mother comes in the bathroom. What is going on here? She asks. All I can see is bubbles. Mother gets rid of bubbles and laughs. Okay, mother first asks them that what's going on, what they are doing with lots of bubbles in their bath. Then she just make them rid of bubbles, and then she started laughing. Yes. What happened next? She isn't cross. Come on now, you two, out of the bath, says mother. I should think you are clean by now. Now, after having the bath and after having so many bubbles, their mother wants them to come out of the bath because they have been cleaned now, and they have to come out now. Okay, class 2, let's go for the meanings of the difficult words we can find in this page number 64. The first word is slippery. What do you mean by slippery? Slippery means standing to slip from the hold or grasp. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज़ आपके हाथ से फिसल जाना, गिर जाना, उसे हम जो है वो slippery कहते हैं. ठीक है, और you can also see the picture here. There is a foam on the floor, and what we have, surf water or soapy texture on the floor. We won't be able to stand even. Okay, we got slipped. The next word is toes. What do you mean by toes? The way we have the fingers on our hand The similar way